Hey there YouTube, Franshopper here. It's Friday, August the 16th, and today we're going to take a revisit of starting up an IBM Personal Computer XT. This is off. The fan noise that you hear is coming from that machine there. But before we turn it on, let's take a look at it here. So this does actually still boot. It's fully functional. You have your drives here, your larger floppy, your smaller floppy, the one that most of us are probably familiar with, if you're familiar with floppy at all. Though I would hope that if you're watching this, you still remember floppies. Unfortunately, we do not have any of the larger ones, so I can't show you one of those. In there, you actually have a hard drive. Here is one of many Model M keyboards that we own here at TechServe. This one happens to be missing a key. And then of course you have your display. This is not exactly black and white, it's actually black and green. You have contrast and brightness adjusters. As you might be able to see on camera, there's a bit of burn-in in the screen from how long it's been used. But this is fully hooked up, so the way to turn it on is really simple. It's a nice red switch back here. Get a good flick. Now we count the memory in chunks of 16 KB. And yes, this boots into DOS. It doesn't boot Windows. And I believe this does not recognize 2013, but I'm going to try it. I don't think I can actually punch that in. So it is 08 16 2013. Oh, alright. Well, that's the first time it's actually taken 2013. Usually it rejects it. Time is 12:07 p.m. And so there you go. This is what it looks like when it's turned on. And we do have a couple things on the hard drive, so there's our wonderful directory listing. Mainly we just use this for the games that are on it, to be honest, but it also has QBasic. Let's see if we can get that to open up. Sometimes this can be a little finicky, but it looks like QBasic will actually work today. This was actually the first programming language I learned. I took this in a summer camp at a community college back at home in New Jersey. And you could actually do some really cool stuff with this at the time. This was pretty revolutionary. Let's go ahead and close out of QBasic. Let's go to games. And in games, we've got two games, Tetris and the Oregon Trail. I can never actually get Oregon Trail to work, unfortunately, but I'll show you Tetris. Way back before you even had Solitaire. And I'll just show you me failing this real quick, because the controls on here are slightly different from what you might be used to. In fact, you can't use arrow keys. Those are your controls there. We'll just go ahead and drop all the blocks there. And game over. And name, we'll skip that. So as you can tell, we play this a fair bit. Once more, no. So to turn this off, there's no shutdown, no start menu, anything like that. Just come back over here to your switch, and I'm going to flick it, but I'm going to show you what the screen does when you do. And there you have it. That is a revisit of the IBM PC XT that we have here at Drexel TechServe. That's it.